Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of these jewels under the kilt. These were on sale, so I picked it up. As you can see, made in Canada, apple pie pecan. So, let's check this out. There's a nutrient panel, there's the ingredients right there. Let's do a quick taste test. Let's open this up. Okay, so that's what they look like. The bag is actually quite small, and they do smell really nice. You can smell the apple in there. There it is. Let's do a quick taste test. Wow. It's got a nice flavor. It's got a mild sweetness from the maple and a slight aroma of apple. It's not bad, but these were quite pricey, so but yeah, it's pretty good. Alright guys, if you have any questions on how much, post below, subscribe to the channel.